Even the doctors are amazed. Soak your feet in one of these mixtures and get rid of toenail fungus naturally. Before we start with this video, and we show you how to get rid of toenail fungus naturally, we would like to say a few words about this issue, the most common causes and risk factors. First, you should know that the medical experts say that fungal infections can affect any part of the body. They say that the fungi are normally present in and on the body alongside various bacteria. When a fungus begins to overgrow, you can get an infection. Onychomycosis, also called tinea unguium, is a fungal infection that affects either the fingernails or toenails. You should also know that fungal infections normally develop over time, so any immediate difference in the way your nail looks or feels may be too subtle to notice at first. You should know that a fungal nail infection occurs from the overgrowth of fungi in, under, or on the nail. Fungi thrive in warm, moist environments, so this type of environment can cause them to naturally overpopulate. Well, this actually means that the same fungi that cause jock itch, athlete's foot, and ringworm can cause nail infections. Yes, that's the real and ugly truth. The fungi that are already present in or on your body can cause nail infections. If you have come in contact with someone else who has a fungal infection, it may have spread to you. The medical experts also say that fungal infections affect toenails more commonly than fingernails because your toes are usually confined to your shoes, where they're in a warm, moist environment. Note, this means that you should be very careful, and if you get a manicure or pedicure at a nail salon, be sure to ask how the staff disinfects their tools and how often they do it. Tools, such as emery boards and nail clippers, can spread fungal infections from person to person if they're not sanitized. Both men and women can suffer from this both health and aesthetic problem. But, you shouldn't be worried, because in this article we are going to show you how to get rid of toenail fungus in all natural way. It's very simple. You just have to soak your feet in one of these mixtures. Here's what you need to do. Yogurt. The yogurt is extremely useful for treating this health problem, because it's loaded with the live bacteria Acidophilus. Well, this bacterium makes the yogurt extremely useful remedy for any type of foot infections that usually develop in the area between the nails and toes. You should also know that the yogurt contains the friendly type of microorganisms, which are extremely effective in destroying the fungal infections. How to use yogurt to treat fungal infection? It's very simple. You just have to soak your feet in yogurt, or you can just rub yogurt all over your feet and leave it dry. When it's dried, wash your feet with cold water. Sodium bicarbonate. Many experts around the world say that baking soda is also very useful in treating this health problem. How to use baking soda to treat fungal infections? You just have to mix cold water and sodium bicarbonate. You need to keep in mind this ratio 1:3 when you are making this combination. Then, apply this powerful combo to your shoes and allow it to air dry. This useful combo will destroy all the potential bacteria in your shoes. You will be amazed by the results. Hydrogen peroxide. Well, hydrogen peroxide works great in treating fungal infections as well. Some people say that hydrogen peroxide works the same way like baking soda. How to use hydrogen peroxide to treat fungal infections? It's very simple. You just have to soak your feet in a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and cold water. With this natural method, you will kill all unpleasant fungal infections and prevent them from spreading. Here's how to make this mixture. You need to add 100 ml of 3% pharmaceutical-grade hydrogen peroxide in 1 liter of distilled water and soak your feet for 20 minutes. You need to repeat this method every morning until you get rid of the fungal infections. Cornstarch. Cornstarch is also very useful and beneficial in treating toenail fungus. The medical experts say that you can add starch in different types of pastes and mixtures that prevent the unpleasant bacteria and fungi is great. This is because starch is an amazing absorbent. It absorbs the moisture extremely efficiently. How to use cornstarch to treat fungal infections? It's very simple. You just have to mix 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch with a little bit of warm water. Then, set the oven to 220 degrees and keep the mixture in the oven until it goes dark. Wash and dry your feet before you apply this mixture on them. When you rub this mixture, leave it for 1 minute and then washes off with warm water. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.